Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you looking to replace camshaft sprocket gear on BMW. Also we will share how we can probably save you $5,000 to $10,000 if you have certain BMW engines guys. Now the camshaft sprocket gear is also known as VVT gear or variable timing gear guys, because it's part of the adjusting the valves, and also it's known as Vanos gear. It has so many different names. So we're going to explain what needs to be done and why it costs so much to do it. Now another thing guys, if you need to buy any parts or tools, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our parts and tools from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. And also guys, every single car we get at the shop, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. All that being said, let me explain guys what we have here and why it's so complicated to replace those variable timing gears. That's what we have. This one for instance, it says intake, this one says exhaust. It's expensive guys because you have to remove the whole timing chain assembly, and that's where things get complicated. You need special tools, not one, not two, not three, 4 special tools guys. One for the camshaft sprockets, then you need a special tool actually, that we have right there for TDC point. That's a special tool. Tool to hold your flywheel, another tool. Then you need a tool to align the oil pump, one more guys. And you can see how things just go and go and go. Another thing guys, you will need to, since BMW uses a whole box system, you don't have a timing chain cover, you have to remove the oil pan. In order to remove the oil pan, for instance, if you have an X-Drive BMW, you have to remove front CV axles, differential, all that stuff. So complicated stuff guys. Even if you have a rear wheel drive BMW, it's still complicated. And we have a video that explains actually how to do that, how to replace timing chain, how to remove timing chain and the sprockets, and I'll put the link in the description of the video below. Something else guys, certain engines are affected by timing chain guides that fail really early. This one failed at 71,000 miles, broken here, here and here. Another one exploded at 87,000 miles. Check it out, in pieces. And if you bend your valves, mess up your engine, you may end up paying $5,000 to $10,000 to fix that damage guys. So I'll definitely recommend when you replace sprockets, gears, just go with the whole kit, replace your chain as well with original chain, and you will be, they have the updated design now, so everything's good and you will be ready to go. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out and why it costs so much to replace those two guys. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.